Good morning. Hello everyone, we are in the Grand Atrium. It's been a couple of hours since breakfast and wow, that was a manic breakfast. We went to the Horizon Buffet and it was just packed. That's probably because it's a sea day. I don't know, it's probably not that busy every single day, but it was crazy. There were no seats inside, we had to sit outside on the aft deck, and very luckily there was a lovely couple who let us sit with them and didn't mind Hudson sort of being loud and making a mess, so that was lovely of them. So yeah, we've just come down to deck 6. This is the atrium. Look how beautiful it is. We're just heading to Vistas Café, which is down here, and we're gonna see what coffee and cake they have. Right, so we've come to Vistas Café, and I got the red berry mousse. Will got the, what is it, strawberry champagne? Is it a cheesecake?
Mousse, basically.
Hudson approves. So Vistas is located just on the bottom deck of the atrium, deck 6. And it's just a little cafe. They sell Costa coffee and little cakes like this. And then you can see the decks above as well, where Keel and Cow and the glass room, I think it's called. The glass room? Is that what is
Glass
there?
house.
The glass house. So the glass house is here on deck 7. Deck 8 has Keel and Cow. And then we have a really beautiful view. We have very quickly just popped into the spa to book some hair appointments. Will's getting a haircut and I'm going to get a wash and blow dry. Hello, we're out on a balcony. Say hello, Will.
Hi.
So I thought I would just share with you. We have a cabin right at the front of the ship, which is amazing for so many reasons. And we purposely booked this one so that we would have a great view of the fjords. So that's why we're in here, and we stand by our decision. We think it's going to be incredible. A lot of the spaces at the front of the ship can get very, very crowded during sail buys or cruise buys in the fjords. So we wanted to have somewhere that we could go and we wouldn't miss any of it if it was early in the morning or if Hudson was taking a nap, that we wouldn't miss seeing the fjords, because that's the best part of this cruise. However, the one downside to having a forward facing balcony is the fact that it's not glass. I'll show you. Okay, I'm on my phone so I can't turn it around, but that is the front of our balcony.
The view is amazing. When you're stood up.
Yeah, if you're standing up, it's a great view. When you're sitting down, as you can see, I'm sitting on the chair. I can't see over this. So, yeah, it is fantastic if you're doing something like a Norwegian Fjords cruise. So just bear in mind, with these forward-facing balconies, if the weather does get too rough, they will come and they'll lock your door to your balcony and you won't be able to use it. And we've got this protective glass as well. So having this does make our balcony bigger. We've got a really, really big balcony. It's kind of like double size. I don't know if you can see, so we've got this bit of the balcony and the bit behind as well. So it is a really big balcony. But yes, it has its positives and its negatives. If we weren't doing Norwegian Fjords, we would have gone for a deluxe balcony on, I think it was midships, wasn't it? Yeah. Are you in the wind? It's a bit too windy for Will. That side of where he was sitting was really windy, so he's come to sit behind the glass. My side's not too bad, so.
It's so windy.
Yeah. What have we done today? You're like behind a screen.
Human protection.
Yeah, we're so used to this. What have we done today? We have not done a lot. We've gone over to the nursery. Hopefully we'll be going back there tonight. They had a toddler like dance class thing this morning, which like a little dance party. It wasn't a class, it was like adults and toddler, like under twos, dancing, which Hudson would have loved. But we went to the buffet for breakfast and it was so busy. It took a long time. So the Horizon buffet, amazing food, really great. What we could get to was fantastic. But yeah, it was busy. A lot of cruise ship buffets are. This one was particularly busy. Tonight is a celebration night, which is just P&O's word for formal night. So we'll be dressing up later. Couldn't be bothered putting on makeup today when I'm going to be wearing it tonight. Yeah, that's pretty much it. We want to go to Ripples. They do like an ice cream afternoon tea. It's their ice cream. They have a couple of ice cream places on board, don't they? And Ripples looks amazing. It's an extra charge, but they do an ice cream afternoon tea, so we want to go. And we're booked into Sindhu tonight, aren't we? So the Indian restaurant on board, it looks incredible. So we're very excited for that. And we've heard really good stuff about Sindhu, so can't wait. Obviously, we're just kind of pottering along. We haven't even had a chance to see the whole ship yet. We're going to try our best to get some time when it's a little bit quieter. A lot of places have been really, really busy. We're on a sold out cruise, so it is really busy. And I don't like filming other people that much. If they're in a crowd, it's not so bad, but I don't like being like in people's faces, and particularly if they're in the pools or jacuzzis, and there's jacuzzis all over the place. So that is something that I have seen in other people's vlogs, how many hot tubs there are on board. And it's true, there are so many, and it's really good to see, but yeah, they are all like full of people all the time. We're gonna try and get up early tomorrow. We had a bit of a slow start today, so we're gonna try and get up early tomorrow, so that we can just get around the ship a little bit more. Tomorrow is a port day. We're going to Stavanger. We don't know whether we're going to get off or not. We have been on Norwegian Fjords cruises before, so yeah, we might pop off for an hour or two and just see what is around. Will has been to Stavanger. I feel like I have been, but I can't remember. I'm sure I'll remember if I have. I've been to Norway on most cruises that I've been on. I've been to Norway, so, and we have together, the first cruise we went on together, Will was working, but the first time I went on board his ship, we did a Norwegian Fjords cruise. So yeah, we will just, I guess, keep pottering along and take you with us. We'll chat to you later. Bye. So this is another quick look at the balcony properly without me turning the camera around. As you can see, steel front, that is obviously for safety, just in case there are waves and the wind and all that sort of thing. But yeah, it is quite high, so you cannot sit on your balcony and look out. We're right at the front in the middle, which is a beautiful spot. Like I said, these are deluxe balcony cabins. We're currently in the North Sea, making our way to Norway. I'm not sure if you can hear any of this because it's quite windy. Down there is the crew pool area. I won't show that because there are people enjoying their time off. But I did want to quickly show you. Up here we have the bridge, and these cameras here are the cameras that you can see when you're on, the TV. It shows you the position. And it shows you the view from the bridge. So that is these cameras just above us here. Hello!
Hi!
It is celebration night, so we are all dressed up. Hudson is dressed up too. Got your bow tie. Looking very cute. We are booked into Sindhu tonight. We've got about half an hour, so we're just going to have a little walk around, maybe look at the shops, and then head over to dinner. We're very excited.
Yeah, Sindhu is meant to be really good. So
we've heard really good things.
In that.
And we love an Indian.
Love good Indian. So it
So
is an extra charge restaurant. It's roughly £20 per adult.
yeah, Iona works. Is it all P&O cruise ships
All
work
P&O
in
cruise
pounds?
Yeah.
So keep that in mind. A lot of them work in US dollars, but
Yeah.
Iona is in pounds.
It's handy because you also don't have to worry about exchange fees and you can just use your bank account.
Yeah, if
So
you're from the UK, then no exchange fees, which is nice for us. Anyway, we're gonna head out and have a look.
This one's hungry.
You wanna go find some dinner? Yes, he does. Ready to go?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're ready. All right, let's go.
It's not windy, it's pushing.
This is so fun. drinks. Hudson's eating his dinner. They have a kids menu. There's quite a lot on there actually, but he's got tomato pasta and sweet corn. And he's got some fruit salad coming later. For our starter, we had puffed flatbread bites that were delicious. And I got aromatic red chicken curry. And did you get the first one? Will got the tandoori style Barbary duck breast. So we're just waiting on our mains to come. Got a couple of cocktails. Because it's celebration night, we got a free drink. So we have gone with some champagne. It was champagne or elderflower. And we got, you got some gin, didn't you? You got rhubarb gin.
Rhubarb gin with elderflower.
Rhubarb gin and elderflower. And I can't remember the names of anything. I've got a raspberry and hazelnut brulee cocktail, which looks like this, and it is delicious.
Let's see.
He's making a mess, so we're gonna go and help him eat. But we'll see you again later. Bye. Can you just repeat what you were saying?
I'm just sort of impressed, very impressed with myself. I remembered how to do a knot from back in February, but Meg's father, Pat, showed me how to do like in 2 seconds, and I remembered how to do it, and I'm quite impressed how it's come out again. And we're now at the end of August.
Will is very impressed with his tie, the knot on his tie, just him. He's pretty proud of himself. That it looks really neat. So, what do you think? You don't care. You're doing such a good job. Well done. Would you like some help? Yeah, I can help. Okay, Daddy's gonna help.
There you go.
Good job.
That's really nice.
It's good?
Yeah. His ice cream's amazing. Really creamy.
Well, that's delicious. We're just in the shops having a little look around. Very nice. I think after this we're probably just going to go back to our room so that Hudson's not up too late. And yeah, just chill for the evening, maybe watch a movie. So we're going to end this vlog here and we'll see you tomorrow in Stavanger.